Good morning from Las Vegas. This is Dan, and this is my 2004 Lincoln Town Car Ultimate L. Just want to get this on. Give a good shout out to my friend Nick in Chicago. Appreciate the shout outs, Nick. I told you I was going to put together a video for you, and here it is. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around on the car. I want to show you an interesting thing on this L, Nick, and you're going to need to tell me if your L does this. But this right front seat goes pretty much up to the dash, and it's got lots of room back here, controlled by the rear seat passenger. So that's a lot of rumpus room. Anyway, let me know if your Ultimate does that, Nick, or if it's just an Ultimate L exclusive. Just got done raining here in Vegas, so that's why the car's wet. Haven't had a chance to clean it up yet. This car cover, that's the only way I can keep this car looking well, because it won't fit in the garage. Anyway, appreciate the shout out, Nick. Like I said, this car has been a great daily driver for me. It's got 151,008, and it does have the navigation 6-disc changer, which I'm told is a rare option. And I just love this thing. It drives, runs real well. 12 years, I can't squawk. I'll have a great day. Cheers from Vegas, and we'll see you guys again soon.